Hey everyone, just a quick one. I'm trying this again for the second time. I recorded it with my phone and it disappeared. Craftsman toolbox, little parts tray. It's a plastic tray, so it must not be too old. It's full of silverware. I'll go through it, see if there's any silver in it. Got some church keys, copper beer, or topper beer maybe. Congress beer, some stamped keys. We got some ice things for grabbing ice blocks. These look like they're blacksmith made because of all the indentations. These are probably like a commercial set that were made. They're advertising ones. Because they actually say, it says People's Ice Company on it. Manufactured ice, pure crystal, clear hard. Got a scale. It's a Hansen model 8920. Made in Chicago, USA. Little C-clamp. Inside the Craftsman box was it's an Armstrong Armalloy, 9/16 half inch, good shape, double box. Here's one of those gimmicky double boxes, multi-wrench, 3/8, 13/16, chrome vanadium. Brand new grease hose. New blade for handsaw. One of these levels for like doing posts or doing fencing. We got some sheep shears for shearing sheep for the wool. I don't know, this is some type of drift thingy. Almost looks like blacksmith stuff, maybe. I'm not sure. Some various punches and a nail. This looks like it goes to one of those sliding T's for a socket, minus the other piece. I'll just hold on to it for a drift. Just a pair of scissors. These are Master Mechanic. Screwdriver, USA. Was focusing. Just a China wrench. Boy Scouts of America pair of pliers slash like pot thing. They're a camping accessory. I remember them from when I did scouting. If Scoutcrafters watching or somebody else will probably know the technical name for these. I forget that. It's been so long. Also got adjustable pliers. Crescent AT16, made in USA. 6-inch. Sometimes this thing works, sometimes it doesn't for focusing. This is just a Hitachi case. I repurpose a lot of drill cases for miscellaneous tools and stuff like that. That's about it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll have some more content here soon. I got some other videos I gotta post of other tool stuff I've cleaned up. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, like I said, and comment if you could. Let me know what your favorite find was out of this. I think mine would be the Boy Scout thing and this crescent wrench. Thank you, guys.